Let me give you, my viewers, an example of poet Kamban's ability to play with words. Very interesting thing. See, all that Kamban wanted to say was that Vibhishana possessed the excellent quality of Anbu. There is, in my humble view, no equivalent in English to the word Anbu. It is more than love. I would say the nearest word for Anbu is compassion. Compassion with love. So, which is to be, which gains primacy. See, Anbu or Yenbu and Sade. Yenbu, according to good Tamil poetry, Yenbu means Elumbu, bones, and blood and Sade, the human flesh. The human flesh is more important, or the quality of Anbu is more important. What would anyone say? Anbu is more important. But the poet Kamban, he says, அன்பு அதுக்கு இருப்பிடம் எங்கே? Where can அன்பு stay? ஸோ அன்பு இருப்பிடம் என்பு சதை இருந்தால் தான் அதுக்குள்ளே இருக்க முடியும். ஸோ ஒன்லி there is life, man, human being, there can be அன்பு. ஸோ அன்பை விட என்பு முன்பு பின்பு அல்ல. ஸோ with 4 words, அன்பு என்பு முன்பு பின்பு. Kamban plays that particular stanza is fantastic, and that anbu Vibhishana possessed. This is how he ends. So this is one thing, and the last thing, the most famous. Anyone who knows something of Kambaramayanam, one thing they will never forget. All of them I have seen, I have listened to them, I have watched. Contain Sita. So Hanuman goes to Sri Lanka and comes back to Rama and tells him he is worried. What is the first word to use? Sita, if he says Rama may be worried, what happened to Sita? So contain Sita, but actually it is not contain Sita. Many people out of improper inadequate reading they say. What actually Kamban says is Kandanan Karpirkananga Sitai. I saw the virtuous Sita, like that he says. I saw. Now that particular portion alone I will read and end this engagement with my viewers. Hanuman returned to Rama. Hanuman said to Rama, I saw Sita, a jewel of, this is my translation, a jewel of chastity, Karpirikananga, in the southern city of Lanka, surrounded by the tidal sea. O Lord of the world, he addresses Rama, please shed your concern as well as your long-standing sorrow. My goddess Sita, Hanuman tells Rama, my goddess Sita has proved she is worthy of being your wife. See how beautifully Kamban brings it out. My goddess Sita has proved she is worthy of being your wife. Comma, the daughter-in-law of Dasharatha, she is worthy of being the daughter-in-law of Dasharatha, and the daughter of Janaka. Just as there is nothing that is equal to gold except gold, Sita stands out not comparable with anyone other than her own self by exhibiting the quality of patience. He has given to you the distinction of being an incomparable husband. And to me, see, look at Hanuman, and to me, the distinction of becoming an incomparable servant. I will read it again. She has given to you the distinction of being an incomparable husband, and to me, the distinction of becoming an incomparable servant. So this is how he ends. I mean, like something, the way in which he has put these things, these words can be coined or framed only by poet Kamban. In fact, it is a pity that the greatness of Kamban has not gone beyond the shores of Tamil Nadu. I do hope this effort of mine will make Kamban transcend the boundaries of not only Tamil Nadu and India, but it will reach the whole world. With these words, I am thankful to the organizers for giving me an opportunity to place before my viewers my view or my assessment or my sample of what I have done in translating into English prose the great poetry of Mahakavi Chakravarti Kamban.